How to enable Snapchat camera. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we'll learn how to enable the camera on Snapchat. So in order to enable camera access on Snapchat, the process is really simple. So when you open Snapchat, it might say that you need to open or turn on the camera as it is a camera app and needs access. First, go ahead and open your settings. Or you can directly tap and hold onto the Snapchat application. Tap on the eye icon in the top to go to App Info. From here, tap on Permissions. Now, in this page, make sure that you've given permissions to camera. And also make sure that you've given all the permissions that is necessary for the app. If you are on iOS 13 or newer, the restrictions option used to be in general, but now it's in the screen time. So you need to open the screen time, tap on the content and privacy restrictions. And if you have older iOS version, you can go to general and then go to restrictions. From there, simply allow changes to the camera or Snapchat. Simply allow access in the Snapchat application. And you should see the Snapchat is turned on. Now, if you go back and open Snapchat now, you'll have the access to camera from here. You'll automatically have access to the camera. So I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.